Here is an easy breakfast recipe to whip up. For those who don't love to spend much time in the kitchen whipping up breakfast, here is one simple and easy recipe for you. We just need few ingredients: eggs, tortilla wraps, some herbs, and we're good to go. Alright? But before we delve into this special easy recipe, I want to say hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Alright, for this recipe we would be needing 1 egg, salt, and then we'll also be needing onion, chopped onion, chili pepper. You can either use parsley or coriander, whichever one you love. Now we whip this or whisk it together and set aside. Now we go to our pan, throw in some butter, heat it up and allow it to melt. Throw in our tortilla wrap and toast it a little on one side, flip it over to the next side to toast. And now it is out, we put in more butter because we want to be frying our egg. As soon as you pour the egg mixture into the pan, you drop your tortilla wrap that has been toasted and spread in some mozzarella cheese. After this is done, don't forget to spread some of your parsley or coriander, whichever one you prefer. Now we're flipping this over into 2 halves and allow it to toast on both sides. After this is done, your breakfast is ready. Please, I would like to know what country you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out on my next video. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video and try out this recipe, and also let me know how it turned out. So in less than 15 minutes, this breakfast is ready. It's so cheesy, very yummy and delicious, and most importantly, it doesn't consume time. It takes less than 15 minutes to prep your ingredients and prepare this special omelette wrap. Alright, until we meet in our next video, please stay safe, be good, and stay out of trouble. Bye.